How to remove all friends at once on Snapchat. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can remove all friends at once on Snapchat. So guys, let's open the Snapchat, but unfortunately there is no way to remove all friends at once on Snapchats. The one and only way to remove multiple friends on Snapchat is to delete each one individually, and to do this you need to go to your friend list. So for this you have to tap right here on the profile, and after that you will have to tap right here on my friends, and now you can see that there are different multiple friends you have. Now if you want to delete one of the friend, you have to tap right here on that friend name, and now you have to tap right here on manage friendship, and after that you can see the remove friend option, so you can just remove friend. So this is how you can easily remove an individual person from your Snapchat account, but there is no way to remove all of your friends at once. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.